Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about Terraform State Command. Before that, I am making lot of videos with effort related to Terraform, Kubernetes, DevOps, AWS related stuff. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make lot of videos. Let's dive into today topic. So today topic I have made this slide. So these are all the comments which are we are going to see about. We are going to see state list, state show, and how the refresh command will work by seeing some demo, and what is state move command, how it will work, and how the force lock will work, and what is a pull and push commands will work. So these are all the stuff we are going to see today, and I have the configuration files already with my Visual Studio Code. So in this I have already applied. I have total 4 resources. So VPC, subnet, instances, and security group. So these are all the 4 resources. First of all, we will see the commands. So first we are going to see the command Terraform state list. So Terraform state list, this command will help you to understand what are the resources you have configured with the state file and what are the resources which are all available on the state file. I stored my state file on the S3 bucket. So I have already made a video about how you can store the state file on the S3 bucket and using as a backend and with the DynamoDB table for the state locking purpose. If you have not watched that video, you can go and watch that video as well. So that will be helpful to more understanding. So my stateful right now I have in the S3 bucket, and this is my state file. You can see that by opening that we can see the state file I have right now, and these are all the 4 resources currently I have. Next, if you want to see about those resources on the by specific parameters, or you want to understand the resource details, then you can use Terraform show command. This command help you to understand each resource details. For example, here we have the subnet. This is configured on 1A, and this is the subnet ID we have, and this is the owner ID. So this is like this is the VPC ID. This is like it will show you for the all resources which you have configured. Next, we are going to see another command, refresh command. So refresh command will work on sometimes. For example, you have done changes on manually. For example, here we have the running instance which is on test name, right? So I want to change the name. So some developer has gone to this particular part and they have changed the name, or they have added more tag. So for example, adding the tag as a test, or I'm giving the purpose, I'm giving it as a test. So this tag I have added on manually, but it won't be updated on your state file. So you can update these two on your state file by giving Terraform state command. Before that, let's see whether we have those tags in our instance. You can see we have those instance tags, and this is the tag for our Terraform VPC, and this is for subnet resource, and this is for security group, and finally this is for our instance profile details. And here we have the tags. You can see that there are 3 tags available right now, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the refresh command, Terraform refresh. This command will check out with your current console resources, and if any changes made on that, then it will update to your state file. Let's refresh the state file again. Now we have done the refresh, and you can see that we have the one more tag called purpose test. So this is like it will work. Next, we are going to see another command, so which is state move. State move, this command will help you to change your configuration on the state file. If you don't want to destroy those resources and you want to change those configuration details from one to another, then you can use this command. Let's see with the script here. So for example, here we have the subnet. So this we have configured it as a AWS subnet main. So I want to change this into my subnet. So this is the individual ID which we are giving to the particular configuration. I want to change this main into my subnet. Let's see how it will work. So Terraform state move, and my resource name is AWS subnet dot main, and I want to change this resource into subnet dot my subnet. So just giving enter, it will change the configuration on your state file. Now it have moved your subnet ID from this to this, and by seeing your state file we can see that, and we can see AWS underscore subnet, and this is the subnet which we have currently, and by giving refresh you can see it again, AWS underscore subnet. Now it has changed the name. Let's see it. We have changed the name from AWS subnet dot main to AWS subnet. So let's search with my subnet. So you can right now you can see that it has changed their name to my subnet. Before it was not like a my subnet, it was mentioned it as a main. Now it changed into my subnet. This is like you can change the state file configuration details from one to another. Next, force unlock. So this command will work if someone is locked your state file and you want to forcibly unlock your state file. Then in that situation, if work for someone has applying some changes, but you want to change, you want to unlock that, or sometimes your state file by default due to internet issue it may get locked. In that situation you can using the lock ID, you can unlock the state file. Next, you want to download your state file. Now our state file is on our S3 bucket. Now, I don't have state file in my Visual Studio Code. So this is about the S3 bucket. This is not the configuration of state file. Now I want to download the state file. So you can use this pull command. Using this pull command, you can download your state file. I'm going to enter this command, Terraform stateful, and my state file name. Now you can see that I have downloaded the state file, and you have done some modification. You want to push your state file, then you can use Terraform state push your state file name. This is how the push command will work. I believe this video is helpful to understand more about Terraform state commands. And if you want to understand about more state commands, you can give Terraform state hyphen help. So it will list out the any other command which I have missed out. So you can even go through those things. I believe this video is helpful, and if you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and follow for the more videos. Let's see you in the another topic.